Hello guys, this is Blocky Saul. When I was playing the strongest battlegrounds as the Wild Psychic, I found something unusual about Windstorm Fury finisher. And I'm here to show it to you. No time to waste. Let's get started. When nearby people get hit by this finisher, they'll get stunned. The stun is similar to Cosmic Strike. Now let's compare it with Cosmic Strike. See, there's no difference at all. That's it for this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Not gonna lie, but I'm done making videos. I need some rest.